I'm a North Indian because of my name, because Isha Reva, they think I'm a North Indian.
Yeah.
But when I start speaking in Telugu, they're like, oh, Telugu Maya, meeku Telugu vacha అని అంటారు. So
Tell me about something that is happening in the future that you're very excited about, that you're looking forward to.
I'm actually waiting for my Tamil movie to get released,
Yes.
and there's one Netflix Love Stories in Telugu. It's gonna release soon, I guess. That's the reason people still remember me, remember that movie. A Chalva Chesarandi a cinema lo, a live-in relationship. So they they really remember that movie after like what 6 years or something. So
And on today's episode of Say What with Mansa on Clapboard, I have somebody who's like a true blue Telugu girl, and she's so lovely, so sweet, so talented, and she also carries this vibe of "Don't you dare mess with me." That is, in such a short while, she's made such a great mark. Welcome to Say What
thank you,
with Mansa.
thank you, thank you so
You
much.
look lovely.
Sorry.
I said you look lovely.
Thank you, thank you. You also actually.
Thank you. You know, compliments should be repeated, only then it's nice. But Isha, tell me, I've been asking everybody, especially the actors, what are they doing, you know, during the lockdown period? How has it been for you?
Initially, it was difficult because we are not used to sitting at home, right? So, spending time
Yeah,
with the family, especially, always busy shooting, juggling between shoots. So,
yeah,
initially, yeah, it was very, very difficult for me. And I mean, I was very restless, first of all.
yeah,
But later, like, I started spending quality time with my parents, with my family, especially because they always complain about me that I don't spend much time at home. So
yeah.
so they are happy, they were happy, very happy. And yeah, I mean, and what did I do? I did gardening. I love gardening, but I don't have time, right? So that's the reason
Yeah,
I couldn't do it. But lockdown really, helped me in
yeah,
that.
yeah.
And what did I do? I
Did you
started
make
actually,
dalgona coffee?
I sorry.
Did you make dalgona coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee tea. I'm not a coffee tea person. Yeah. So I actually cooked. So that's a yes. For just 2 or 3 days, that's it. I mean, like I cannot cook. It's so boring for me. But to
So,
survive, you have to cook. Like lockdown, you have to cook, right? So there's no other option. So I
you're like
had
my
to
mother.
cook and sorry.
You're like my mother. She hates
So
cooking.
oh my God, I hate cooking. 1, 2 days is fine. Like I can do it, but not every day. I cannot do it. So it was difficult. So one day my dad used to cook, and the other day I used to cook. So it's like a sharing basis. Okay, we used to have this agreement, like today you're gonna cook and tomorrow I'm gonna cook. So it's like that. It's a deal between my dad and me. So it was actually fun and nice. And what did I do? I love painting, so I did something like small painting or something. That's it. And I used to miss my workouts due to my schedule. And lockdown, actually, I was I was working out regularly. I was following this online YouTube videos and some Instagram videos also. So I was doing that regularly.
Oh,
That's a very
very
good thing that happened. Yeah,
Very nice. I,
yeah.
I, I also mentioned this, you know, in the introduction. I'm a South Indian, I'm a Kannadiga. So I know how it
Oh,
works with the
wow.
South Indian industries. You know, as soon as you find a true blue Telugu actress, people go gaga, you know, finally we have one. Do you get that reaction a lot?
Exactly, exactly. Yep.
So people say that, oh, Telugu Ammai, dorkindi
Yeah,
finally, you
they
know,
they they say yeah, they get really excited actually. People think I'm a North Indian because of my name, because Isha Reva, they think I'm a North Indian. But when I start speaking in Telugu, they're like, oh, Telugu Maya, meeku Telugu vacha అని అంటారు. So yeah, they get really surprised.
but I must say, you know, I have a like a Chotu girl crush on you because
Oh,
you know, one, because of your skin tone. I absolutely love your skin tone. It's like a
thank you.
perfect Indian European
Thank you.
skin tone, and
Thank
also
you
you're
so
so
much.
fair. were you like, did you grow up? We know you did a bit of modeling, but was it in the cards, in the plan that, okay, I have to become an actress?
No, I didn't plan anything. But I didn't want to, work somewhere in a software company or something like that. I
Mm.
always wanted to be an entrepreneur. That's the reason I've done my MBA. So I
Yes.
wanted to start, yeah, I wanted to start my own business. I wanted to be a businesswoman. Now also I want to become an entrepreneur. So yeah, I always wanted to be that, but accidentally acting happened and modeling happened when I was doing my project work in media. It's a minor
Mhm.
project, so I was doing in media, and then I started doing modeling. I started like doing small shoot, like a jewelry shoot, something like that, and I didn't know how it works, and I was very very curious. So I liked it, and in between I took a break because of my exams, and after that I started working. Yeah,
Oh, but you have done, I mean, in such a short while, ever since you've started back to back, you've given such good work.
yeah,
I must tell you, you've done so, you have a good body of work and you've done back to back films, but your first movie, I'm a huge, huge fan, Antakamundu Atarvat.
అంతకుముందు ఆ తర్వాత exactly, exactly.
It was such a modern topic. It was
Yeah,
a trendsetter. What me and I For me it's a dream debut for any actor. To get a role like that.
exactly.
Was it like that for you also? Did you feel that thank God I found this?
Uh, when I actually got selected, see, I already told you that I'm not that, I don't know how movie industry or getting a first chance, and I was not that excited and all because I don't know how it works. And when Mohan Krishna Garu narrated me the story, it was very intense for me. So because it's an intense love story, live-in relationship, and it's
Yeah,
argument between a
yeah,
couple and all, it's so intense, right? So
yeah,
um, so I auditioned and I thought I'll be rejected. But yeah, I did my rehearsals and all, then I got selected after a test shoot. So
yeah,
I realized the importance of my first offer while doing my third movie, third or fourth movie, I guess, because it's because the first movie, because Mohan Garu direction is very very different compared to other
yeah,
directors. Obviously, everyone has their own style, right? So it was comfortable for me because I am a newcomer and I don't know anything about acting or technical things, nothing. So I was very very new, so I didn't know whether I was lucky or not. I didn't know. So but later on I came to know that getting a good substantial role for a lead actress is very difficult in the industry.
yes,
So
yes,
yeah, it's very very difficult for a lead actress to get a like a good role.
yes,
So
yes.
then I was like, oh yeah, I'm very very lucky. Yeah,
But did you have any doubts, because this was a movie which was addressing live-in relationship, premarital sex, and you guys are
hmm,
like, fighting over things. It's For me, it's amazing that people are showing things that actually happen, and it's just the
exactly.
two of them. It's not like there are fights, there is that. It's just you and the lead actor Suman, and it's just the scenes between them. It's pure acting. Did you
Exactly.
have any self-doubts, anything?
Sorry.
Did you have any doubts? Okay, am I taking, something too modern? Is it risky? Did you have doubts like that?
No, I didn't think much. I thought it's a very good story. It's a very intense story where you have a lot of scope to act. That's the reason people still remember me, remember that movie, a Chalva Chesarandi Sinmalo, a live-in relationship. So they they really remember that movie after like what 6 years or something. So uh, that is what I mean I like that one. So people have to remember your roles and all. It's very very intense, but the way Mohan Garu explained everything, every scene, you know uh, it made it easy because we rehearsed a lot, the dialogues, everything. I was ready with the dialogues when I went to the set. So
Yeah.
yeah, it was actually mentally physically also very straining. Yeah.
but it's my favorite movie of yours. I love the story.
Thank you.
For me,
Thank you so much.
anything that's modern and progressive is my favorite. So congratulations there. And
Thank
Isha
you.
has a tattoo. Let's talk about your
Yeah,
tattoo now for a bit.
oh my God. Now I don't remember. I think it just depicts something like a independent, strong woman. Yeah,
But when did you
yeah.
get it and what made you, get a tattoo?
It just happened all of a sudden. I always wanted to get a tattoo done, so but I was not clear when I have to go into do it. So one one day my friend was insisting that she wants to get a tattoo done, so she called me and I just randomly checked few messages, like few pictures, sorry, few pictures, images, and the meaning of it and all. And this one I really liked it and got it done. That's it.
Uh,
Yeah,
and every time we talk about Asia Reba, we see a little bit of transformation that took place, We see the growth, the transformation. And of course, you started acting when you were very, very young. And when we see that, do you feel it that you changed, you grew? Like,
yeah,
what is the biggest
exactly.
change you've seen in yourself from throughout the journey from that point to this point?
Uh, when I started with media, I was like very new, right? Like, I'm
Yeah.
like this. I don't know about like you meet different kinds of people in the industry. You tend to work with a lot of different directors, different people. So initially, I was very, very like, what do you say? I used to trust everyone. So, but it's very typical. How I would say. Um, I used to be very
Girl
naive.
next door. Yeah.
Yeah, because you're like protected. Your parents are there.
Yeah.
When you're studying and all. When you're out on your own, it's different, right? You have to deal with people's mentality, especially in the industry. So I think,
Yes.
yeah, and I think I've learned. I'm still learning. So yeah, it's a. I think industry will teach you life lessons, I would say.
It's the same with all of this. The loss of
Yeah,
innocence, and you gain maturity and
exactly,
experience and all that. It's a journey.
exactly. It's a
But
journey. Yeah.
when I look at you, it's like this perfect combination of girl next door and a hot girl. I mean, a girl next door who's very
Oh,
hot.
thank you. Thank you so much.
always, always. But did you take it seriously? The whole social media pressure, especially on actors, that okay, I need to get my social media game on, and I should focus on it. Did that happen with you? Was there any pressure?
There's no pressure or something like that, but yeah, some days I feel, I mean, like, I don't want to be active on social media. I just want to, be myself and all. I don't want to put stories or post or something like that. So yeah, but sometimes I feel like, that's the only way you connect to your fans, your well wishers or something like that. It's a good way to connect to your fans.
Yeah, true,
Yeah,
true,
so
true
I
that.
check every message, every comment, and also I love reading messages. I respond to almost everyone, so I like it.
So sweet, so sweet.
Yeah.
And I must say, I met you during Oz promotion. That was the first time I met you. And I remember when the PR Kaka called me, Vamsi Kaka called me and told me, this is the movie, come do the interviews. And when I looked the movie up, I was so impressed. Now that's
Thank
a
you, thank
coming of age
you.
movie. And it was a
Exactly.
gutsy move for you, Aisha. I mean, to play, homosexual role to play.
Still, um, like frankly, I don't know guts and all, but I didn't think much when
Yeah.
Prashant narrated me the story. I just wanted to do it. Just Prashant, I'm doing it. That's what I told him when he narrated me the story, because as I told you, you don't get good roles for
True,
female
true,
leads. So when
true.
you get an opportunity, you have to just grab it. You don't have to
But
think much.
how was it being Radha? I mean, did you like was it a struggle to understand Radha?
Um, no. If
No.
you see my dialogues, like when I was explaining my childhood and all in the movie,
Yeah.
when we were shooting that, I literally broke down because it happens to everyone. It happened to me also. So it happens to
Yeah.
everyone, childhood abuse and all. It happens, right? So I got connected to that one, and I literally broke down. So it's a yeah, I really like the character, and it's very different, and I think nobody has done it in Telugu. So it was
Yes.
very, 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 very nice. Yeah.
And how is it partnering up with Nitya? This I have to
Oh,
ask.
it was so nice. I was like, whenever I go to the set, I mean, like, whenever I'm in the set or something, like, before action, I get into the character. So, okay, Nitya is my boyfriend. So, she's my boyfriend. He's my boyfriend. Okay, I mentally do that one so that I'll get used to that one. So, the way I touch her or the way she touches me as, like, boyfriend, it's like we
Yeah.
used to talk and we used to discuss a lot. So, that really helped. Yeah.
Yeah, because I remember when the fire had happened, I remember Nandita Das coming out and giving this interview and saying that to make it look convincing, we had to think of a man in that place.
Exactly. Exactly. And Nitya was also actually doing like a, guy. And so I was like, okay, fine. You have to get
How
into the
did your
character in the
parents,
end, right?
yeah, how did the family react to it?
um, my family liked it. But initially, they didn't understand. Like as usual, like everyone didn't understand initially, but later on, they thought it's a very unique idea, the
Hmm.
story and all. So yeah, they really liked it. They thought it's very different and new.
Yeah. No, but tell me, how difficult is it, Esha, to keep up? Because I know for someone like you who has done really good roles, and like you say, it is rare. And there are times you
Hmm.
have to do movies because you have to be in the game, because you have to deliver consistently. And
Hmm.
there are times you just do a movie for the sake of it. How is the struggle that way?
Um, it's very difficult, I would say, because being a Telugu girl, it's very, very, very difficult. And
Hmm.
really, if I like a character in a story, like in a movie, if I want to do it also, I won't be able to do it because the problem is like they'll stereotype me basically. So that's the
True.
problem. Whereas in other language, like other languages and Bollywood, actors, like big actors, do characters. They act like,
Yeah.
yeah. So even I want to do like that, but you get stereotyped because being a Telugu girl, you have that added advantage. So
Yeah.
so that's the main thing. And I'm like, every decision I take, I'll be like very, very careful, but still, I don't regret anything. uh,
Yeah.
but yeah, I'll just learn from the mistakes. That's it.
And for somebody else, somebody like you, I get this feel that you go with the flow and you're not so complicated. You're like easy to go, and you're in the moment type of a person. But tell me, how do you deal with all the criticism and compliments, because you have both in equal measure? You have so much compliments because you're an actress, a beautiful one at that, and compliments must be coming. You need to filter, not let it get to your head, and you also have a
Yeah,
lot of criticism happening. Both.
exactly.
How do you deal with it?
um it really bothers. I'll not lie that it'll not bother and all, but it really bothers me. But only to some extent, not too much.
Yeah.
So yeah, I read all the comments and all, but mm, I don't I don't
Do you
care much
remember?
actually.
Remember?
Yeah,
Do
I
you
don't
remember
care
any
much.
piece? Do you remember any
Yeah.
piece of criticism that really got to you?
Mm, mm, mm. I don't remember. I
Good.
really don't remember. Seriously, I don't remember because I don't care.
Good. But what's your
But
favorite
initially,
compliment?
initially when I read the comment or whatever it is about me or rumors
Yeah.
or something, I'll be like,
Yeah.
why? Then I'll be like,
Yeah.
okay, chuck it, leave it. They're not gonna change anyway. Why should I? So I'll just leave
I
it. That's it.
understand. What's your favorite compliment? Any compliment that really moved you and it stuck, any moment like that?
Yeah. When my dad watched my first movie, he said, uh, okay, Telugu, in Telugu, I'll say what he said was like, because my dad nobody knows that I could act and all, because I I also don't know. So when he watched my first movie, he was like, "Oh, Bane chesavu, chalba chesavu." He was like very happy and all. You know how fathers will be like, they'll not show much. Yeah.
I know.
So he was
And
very
oh, that
happy
is
and he was so proud of me. Yeah.
that is so sweet. That is so sweet. Now, moving to the next movie I wanted to talk about, I'm sure your father must be even more proud. Arvinda Sameetam. I mean, to get another movie, such a big one. And
Yeah.
what was it like, when it came to you? Were you like, okay, I want to do this? What was happening on your mind when it came to you?
Um, First thing is, I didn't want to do that project, frankly speaking. I know in many interviews, I didn't want to do it. Like, I was very excited because it's Tarak, Trivikram sir, and
Yeah.
also I was really excited, and I'm like very big fan of Tarak's acting and all, and Trivikram sir's movies. So, but I didn't want to do one of the leads.
Yeah.
So, but I had to do it because when they narrated me the story, I thought it's okay, fine, let's do it, give it a chance and all. Yeah, I just did it. That's it. No
But you got one
expectations,
of the
nothing.
best scenes, the
Yeah,
funny scenes.
actually, you know what? You know what? I got very, very good exposure after that movie. Like after that movie got released, I literally came to know like how many like fans I have, how many people love me. Uh, my social media is full of messages and all. I really loved it. Like
But
that's
that
only because
scene
of
with
that movie.
Tarak, the funny scene with Tarak, you know which scene I'm talking about?
Which one? There are two, three
Was
scenes
so
actually.
cute. No, that it looks
The
different wala scene.
Oh, that one. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Ah, I got it. I got it. Huh.
Yeah,
It
but
was
that
actually
got a
fun shooting for that one.
what happened during the shooting, during that scene?
No, I was like talking to Trivikram. Okay, how do I do it? I know. And dubbing was very difficult. It's just the sounds and all, but still it was very difficult. But
And
yeah, it was very funny if you watch it on the screen. It's actually
yeah.
funny. Yeah.
But I keep asking a lot of actresses this. Actually, almost all the actresses that I interview, actors ke liye to chal jata hai. But for actresses, young ones like that, dating becomes very difficult. Very difficult. It's for normal girls, it's so easy. If somebody asks you out, we'll be like, okay, maybe he's worth a lunch, worth a drive. Maybe I'll talk to him. You don't like him, you don't talk to him again. But for actresses, you can't do that. If you do something like that, it's all out there. How difficult
Yeah,
is it?
exactly. That's true. Um, yeah, like
An actress friend of mine
it's
recently she was telling me that, dude, I live like a nun. You have no clue.
but you can actually go out and all spend time with friends and all, but you have to be a little bit careful. Like, yeah, that's all.
Do you have a burqa?
No, I don't wear burqa and all. I'll just wear a cap. Now you have mask also, so there's no way people will recognize you. The other day I was shopping in a store, so a lady recognized me, and she was at the billing counter, and she has seen my card, my credit card. It's written as Isha Reba, and she's like, "You're Isha Reba, right?" So it's because of my card, so she didn't recognize me. I was wearing a mask. Yeah.
But does it get to you sometimes that, okay, I can't even have a normal dating life? It's a price I'm paying for being an actress.
No, I mean that's okay.
You all are so career oriented. Yeah, every actress will be like, no, we have to work, we have to work.
Yeah, obviously. That's okay, fine. I can sacrifice all these things.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at her. But tell me, what do you like when you're not working? What's your life like? I mean, are you a busybody or are you the one who loves lazing? What's it like when you're not busy shooting in traffic?
Now, morning I go to the gym. I
Yeah.
come back. I listen to a lot of stories like narrations, and I listen to every narration if I like the synopsis. And evening I go for boxing. I'm
Wow.
learning MMA. Yeah, so I started learning like it's been 2 months.
Yeah.
So now I'm now I'm like very regular uh, to the gym and boxing both. I'm really liking myself.
Yes,
Yeah, so
I
that's
keep
my
following
routine.
your posts.
Huh, sorry.
I keep following. Keep following your posts, and you're training like for one military
Yeah.
boot camp. You know.
I always wanted to learn kickboxing. It's like, just, showing aggression and you just want to let it
Right.
out and all. So it's very good stress buster for me. So yeah, I really love it.
So I'm going to come to another movie which was very again hatke for you. You had a very meaty, substantial role in it. That is
Hmm.
Ragala 24 Ghantalo. I'm sorry, I can't say this in Telugu in one go.
Ragala, yeah, that's okay, fine. Yeah,
Ragala, yeah, Ragala. It was again a very, very hatke movie. I must say congratulations. You keep finding these
thank you.
hatke ones.
I know. Thank you so much. Like, and again, it's a woman centric movie.
Yes.
Yeah. So again, it's mentally and physically very straining, and also, but I really enjoyed working for that movie, and I understood actually because it's like I am the hero of the movie, right? So
Yes.
yeah, you have to do everything. You'll be there on every screen, like every frame, sorry, every frame. So you have to make sure like you give your perfect shot. So that's actually very tiring. Then I understood like why it's why heroes like the superstars or uh,
Yes.
that's the reason they have like a lot of following and all because of their presence. They carry the
Yes.
movie and all, right? So because of that one,
True,
then
true.
I understood, okay, it's a lot of stuff you have to do.
Oh, no, but when I saw it, I was like, wow, wow, because I keep
Thank
checking out
you.
all the Telugu movies, and I was like, okay, I'm so happy for Resha, especially after all.
You
You
understand
know,
Telugu?
I speak also. అంత బాగా రాలేదు
Okay.
కొంచెం వస్తుంది
Anta-
ఇంకా
so you're
పాలిటిక్స్
not from you're not from Hyderabad?
No, it's been 4 years.
Oh, okay,
I'm
no
from Bangalore,
problem. Okay. Okay, cool,
but
got it.
నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను.
నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. Okay, పక్క. I'll teach you, okay?
How sweet. How sweet. So I want
Yeah.
to move on to another topic, which is, uh, I mean, is there anything that you miss doing, being an actress? Like I said, a price that you're paying, being normal. What is that one thing you miss doing?
Mm, what do I miss? Oh, nothing much. Actually, this lockdown, I spent quality time with my family, so that is done. Apart from that one, no, I really want to, I don't mind working like every day. Like I like juggling between shoots. Like I used to do Ragal Erunal Gantlo movie, that movie, the latest movie. I used to go to Chennai, and there's one more Tamil movie I was shooting at that point of time. So I was juggling between two projects. After this shoot, I used to go to airport, go to Chennai and
Yeah,
do that shoot and come back here. So I used to travel like that, and I love working like that, like non-stop.
same here. Same here.
Now I'm
I
going
understand.
mental, actually.
We keep creeping. Oh my God, there is so much
Yeah,
work, but you love it, the drive.
exactly.
You
Exactly,
know?
exactly. I
Now,
just love it.
yeah. Can I play a quick rapid fire round with you? Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, here we go then. One movie that you've seen zillion times, your favorite movie of all times, yeah, Isha.
Zillion times, no. Maybe I like Wake Up Sid. I watched it 5 or 6 times, I guess. I like Wake Up Sid,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow. A song that you keep listening to a lot.
Exactly. I really like Konkona Sen acting in that one. She's really good. And I watched her recent Netflix original Dolly something, right? She's just
Yes.
brilliant. Yeah.
And a song that you keep listening to a lot.
The song is, oh, okay, this is second question, right?
Yes, yes.
Me, there's one song in Lavachkal, like old Lavachkal, Main Kya
Yes,
Hoon.
yes.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
like I I listen to it almost every day. Like, it's like boosting up. Like, yeah, I really like that
So
song.
cool.
I love that song. It gives me
So cool.
energy. Yeah.
One thing that Isha cannot live without.
Cannot live without my lipsticks. I love lipsticks, okay? Phone, it's okay, fine. If I don't have phone also, that's completely fine. But I want my lipsticks. That's weird, right? Yeah,
It's not. I can't. I never go out without lipstick, so I know.
yeah. I love because I have lots of lip balms, um, lipsticks. I have the same color, like 10 lipsticks of same shades and all. So I'm, yeah, addicted to them.
I understand you, sister. I totally get you. I feel you.
Yep.
You know.
Yeah,
Next,
exactly. Yeah.
a role that you saw in the recent times or any time, a role that you always saw and you felt like, okay, I so want to do something like that.
Uh, I recently watched a movie, Gantu Mutte, Kannada movie, and I I thought it would be nice if I do that movie. And all-time favorite is Burfi, Priyanka Chopra's role in Burfi. Yeah.
Great. Great. And I know about you, Telugu, Kannada movie in the pipeline also, by the way.
Oh, the Gantu Mutte movie? Oh, you know that?
No. I know about you venturing into Kannada industry is what I
Oh,
meant.
okay. Cool. Got it. Yes,
Now,
true.
next question. One thing Isha Rebba should stop doing. Like get rid of that habit.
What is that? I don't know. Get rid
She's
of.
like, okay, I have nothing to change. I can't improve perfection.
Yeah, obvious. I mean, maybe I want to take decisions quick. Maybe,
Ah,
yeah, that one because I take my sweet time to, take a decision. So I have to change that.
what,
Yeah.
what is that one word that you say a lot?
Mm, I don't know. I mean, you have to ask someone because what is that one
Your
word?
favorite? Do you want to disclose your favorite cuss word? We'll beep it.
No. No cuss.
Your favorite cheat food?
Favorite street food.
Cheat food. Cheat food.
Cheat food. It would be mm, cupcakes. I love cupcakes. I love sponge cakes. I just love it. Yeah.
Ah, that's so sweet. That's so
Yeah.
sweet. Now tell me about something that is happening in the future that you're very excited about, that you're looking forward to.
Mm, I'm actually waiting for my Tamil movie to get released,
Yes.
and there's one Netflix Love Stories in Telugu. It's gonna release soon, I guess. So I'm waiting for that one, and and what else? And there is one more Netflix thing happening right now. I cannot reveal much, but I'm really excited about that one.
So cool, so cool. But Isha, you're like a breath of fresh air. Yeah? You're just yourself. You're just
Thank
too
you.
chill, too laid back. At the same time, I'm sure you're very focused on your work. But it was so
Yep.
lovely talking to you. And
Same
you
here.
know,
Same here.
I hope I get to see you in more and more gutsy Hatke roles that you keep doing and
Sure.
throwing at us. What
Sure.
a
Sure.
pleasure! What a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
Same here. It was lovely talking to you, and we'll catch up soon. Actually,
Please,
done. Yeah.
one second, Isha, we need a thumbnail pose, okay? For the
Okay.
yeah. Can we
Okay.
hold a pose? Okay. What do you want to do? You want to do
Okay.
a thumbs up? You want to do a heart?
Yeah. This is okay.
Okay. Yeah. Fantastic. I'm going to share this today. Will you please share it on your social media? Is that okay?
Yeah. I'll do it. Yeah. Done.
And I want you to say hi to my team. Nikhil. Nikhil is recording
Sorry.
this interview.
Hi.
Nikhil is
Sorry.
recording. Yeah. Nikhil, do you want to say hi to Isha?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi.
Nikhil.
How are you?
Hi. How are you, Nikhil?
I'm fine.
Okay.
He
Are
also
you
wants
wearing
to become
mask
an
and using sanitizer, maintaining social distance?
Yes, yes.
Like a Maha teacher you're asking. But Isha, thank you so much.
Comment, share, like, subscribe to Clapboard Production.
Hi, this is Vijay Devarkonda. Please subscribe to Clapboard Production.
Hi guys, this is Ed Visesh. Subscribe to Clapboard.
Hi everybody, this is Rashmi. Subscribe to Clapboard.
Hello everyone, I'm Nandini. Please subscribe to Clapboard.
Don't forget to subscribe to Clapboard.
This is Vishwa. Subscribe to Clapboard.
Please to subscribe on Clapboard.
This is Nitya Shetty. Subscribe to Clapboard.
Please subscribe to Clapboard.
Hello, this is Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Please subscribe Clapboard.
Please subscribe Clapboard.
Hi guys, నేను మీ హేమచంద్ర. Please do subscribe to Clapboard.
Hi, నేను రైటర్ ప్రసన్న కుమార్ బెజవాడ. Please subscribe to Clapboard Productions.
Subscribe to Clapboard Productions.